Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video on my initial response, my initial evaluation of the new Intex pump and skimmer system that I just got from Amazon. The pump is a C2500 and the skimmer is the deluxe wall skimmer. So far my impressions are pretty good. Just have it temporarily set up because I don't have the plumbing put in for it yet. But here's the pump. You can hear how quiet it is. It sits you down right next to it. And that's all the sound it makes. I just got it plumbed in right here. Just shooting down, not doing anything really. But take a look at this. It's just, sucking itself to the hose for that. So it's not really truly connected. But look at that. It's like a little mini vortex. It's sucking things in from feet away. I can't believe how powerful that thing is. Look how far the movement is coming from. So as far as strength of the pump, take a look at this. That beats the heck out of that little tiny pump that came with my first pool. This one didn't come with a pump, so I was just using the little one that came with the 8-foot pool that I had before. But to keep this short, I'll make my recommendation that if you're looking for a pump and skimmer system for your above ground pool, this is absolutely the way to go. That's the C2500 Intex pump and the Intex deluxe wall mounted skimmer system. You can't go wrong with this one.